here's the final product. Now, this was supposed to go on that side, but I find it better it's on this side because it has a grab system and you could drag it forward. I actually prefer that one because if these were on the other side, the grabs, it doesn't make sense. So this is a better way. You could grab it on from here if you're gonna go to the beach and take it with you. Now the mesh is really see-through, that you could actually set up clothing that has sand and it'll pass through. You have these pockets here. People want to put your shoes on, or maybe keys, wallets. Now, it took me about 45 minutes to put together. It's because it's a little tedious, you know, putting all these things together. Make sure you follow the right order. And the legs, the bottom legs, I'll show you here on the video, that you have to be on the bottom. It's different from it, right? So you can have it either or, but I prefer this way. I was thinking about it, but it didn't make sense to me. I put the holes on this side because if I want to lift it, it has the wheels forward. You could lift everything in there. So at the end of the day, when you're swimming, you put it together on your swimming pool. All your toys go in there. All your swimming toys go in there. Your floaties, your devices, your balls, everything that you want. Your shoes, they could be stored in this thing. Very simple to just store the stuff. And at the end of the day, you could take it apart, put it away for some other day. Now, it does have the centerpiece there, so it could hold a lot of weight too. And like I said, it's easier to move this way than it is to do the other way. And it looks beautiful outdoors. And it's collapsible. You could take it apart, take it to go, take it to a beach, or have it for your swimming pool here at home. Easy to set up. Follow the instructions. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.